Hey, welcome back. Today I'm trying out 4 different banana bread recipes so that I can kind of get a mix in my arsenal of recipes so we're not just having the same type all the time. Plus, there's like a million on the internet, so I thought I'd try some out and see how they turn out. Stick with me and you can see which ones we liked and which ones we didn't. Let's go. I have 2 banana bread recipes. My husband usually makes the banana bread, but I wanted to try some different ones and just see if we like these. His is great, and it's our standard banana bread, but this one sounded delicious. Peanut butter banana bread, and then this one sounded good too. So I have about 6 very ripe bananas. This one might be a little too far gone, but we'll open it up. But these ones should be fine. Oh, that one's a little dark too. We'll open them up and see. Probably 3 for each recipe. If I only end up with 2, that's fine too. But we'll make this one first, and then we'll do this one and get those in the oven, and hopefully they're delicious. So 1/2 cup of butter, combine butter and sugar until creamy. So the thing about bananas in my house is sometimes I buy bananas and I buy them like 2 bunches at a time. And they go so fast that before the week's even up, I'm buying more bananas. And sometimes I buy bananas and I'll buy like 1 bunch and nobody eats them, and then they turn black like that. So it's a total crapshoot, and having a few good banana recipes in my arsenal is wonderful. So I'm just trying to get some recipes that we like. I just want to have a couple like variations because I think it's fun. So we're going to cream this. And we need 3 eggs, 1 at a time. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is vanilla I made, and I'm really low, and I'm sad that I didn't make more at the beginning of this year because I'll have to go back to buying it. And I knew I should have, but then I just didn't, so I don't know. All right, I'm sifting the dry ingredients. Well, I'm not sifting. I'm going to use a whisk and just mix them up. But I've got 2 2/3 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Wait, I better check this. This is baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then whisk. I have, I don't know, a cup-ish of mashed bananas. It was 2 1/2 mashed bananas. One of them was too far gone. I did not use it. But the other ones were perfect. They mashed right up. You saw, you were there. And then it's 1/2 cup of sour cream. And it says 1/2 cup of pecans, but just myself and my husband like pecans in the house. In bread.
Oh, no.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry.
So nobody likes that in any kind of bread. So I'm going to leave that out and then just complain later because I wish I would have put it in. All right, this is mixed. It says it yields 1 9-inch loaf pan. This is not 9 inches, but I love this loaf pan. It's got the slice things in it. I might get 2 out of it because this isn't big enough. But it also says it takes 1 hour and a half to cook at 350. So that's a long time. I didn't realize that. I probably wouldn't have started it at 10:30 at night if I had read the recipe all the way, but I didn't. So here we are. So I had to know how far off I was. My pan is 9 inches. I have very big spatial problems, so I thought this was like, I don't know, 6 inches, whatever. This is 9 inches, so that was the correct pan. It was very full. It'll be a nice big loaf. I'm going to start on the peanut butter banana bread. Butter, brown sugar, peanut butter. All right, let's go. This is baking soda. You can't see it anymore. So we got 1/4 cup of butter, which is 1/2 a stick, softened. 3/4 cup firmly packed light brown sugar. I have this color brown sugar because I made it. 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. 1/2 teaspoon of the vanilla again. Okay, let's see. Brown sugar, peanut butter until fluffy. Add eggs 1 at a time, mixing well. After each addition, mix in the vanilla. I did it all out of order. It's not gonna matter. All right, we are alternating the flour with sour cream. 1/4 cup of sour cream. And it says 2 portions of sour cream. Look at that. That is almost beautiful. It still needs bananas. This is just peanut butter bread at this point, but it's beautiful. Okay, let's see. You're going to mash up these other bananas. And I think that's everything. I was yakking the whole time, so hopefully I didn't miss anything, but whatever. It's probably fine.
Just be like that sometimes.
Just be like that. It's probably fine, man. This just came out of the oven. It smells so good. It looks a little crooked. I think my oven's not level. Actually, no, it's not level. It smells so freaking good. It came out of the pan really nice. It's still hot. Can't wait to eat it. It took an hour and 10 minutes for this loaf. The other loaf's finishing up. We're gonna cut it and eat it. This is the peanut butter. This is the regular. I'm gonna cut off a piece and do a taste test. Hold on. Okay, this is the peanut butter. So this one, it's not very peanut buttery, and it's almost like the peanut butter cancels out the banana and there's not much flavor going on at all. I'm not posting this recipe, and honestly, I would never make it again. It's not great. I am gonna look for a different one because peanut butter banana bread sounds delicious, but this one is not delicious. All right, next one. All right, this is the other one. This one's delicious. It's a little on the sweet side, very banana-y. It's not too sweet, but it's sweeter than like a not sweet one. I don't know. Very banana-y. I think that those bananas I used were perfect. They were so mushy and had that nice, very ripe sweetness. I don't know. I don't know how to describe things. This one's good. I'll post this recipe below, and I would make this one again for sure.
Wow, your acting skills.
This is double chocolate banana bread and triple chocolate banana bread. The recipes are very similar, but I'm just going to make them both and see which one we like more. I will post probably whichever one is better. Butter, brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Yum! Smell it yet, Mama?
Okay, egg. Bananas. I'm going to use 2.5 bananas in each recipe.
Can I do one and you do one, Mama? Thank you. Why are so old?
Because these are for banana bread. Don't drop it on the floor, otherwise I can't make both batches.
How do you get them off?
You got to open the skin just like regular banana. And 1/4 cup of sour cream. Don't squeeze it. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Just clean it. Can I take this part off?
The bananas.
Oh no.
Did you get it all?
Yeah.
Throw that in the garbage.
Did you already do the other one?
Yep.
I can wash my hands.
Okay.
I'm back.
You're back, huh? 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder.
I do this one.
Teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Whoa!
And then 1 cup of chocolate chips. This is a very thick batter.
Yeah.
It says to put the chocolate chips on top and just press them into the batter. I imagine that's because this is so thick and they're going to sink to the bottom. So if we put them on top, they won't sink as far, hopefully. Look at how thick that is. It's like brownie batter.
Yeah.
Well, that looks good.
Yep.
Good thing it's our sweet night. Okay, that is the double chocolate. And that goes in the oven for 70 minutes. Alrighty, now we're gonna do the triple chocolate, which is super similar. Flour, cocoa butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar. So this is 2 eggs and then the bananas.
Done.
Okay.
That was easy.
Yeah. This one has a topping on it too, so I imagine that'll be at the end. Should have read through this. Yes, that's at the end.
Now spaghetti.
No, we're not having biscotti. It's called spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Why does it
Spaghetti.
spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
No, not sketty. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Not quite. We'll keep working on that, huh?
Oh no.
It's okay. Okay, flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, baking soda, 1 tisp, baking powder, half a tisp. Is there not salt in this? That's weird. And no vanilla? Hold on a second. Yeah, no vanilla. Okay, 2 hands.
And, I'll put it in slowly.
All right, lock her down. 1 cup of semi-sweet. Wow, this is also super thick. Okay, so this one cooks for 50 to 60 minutes. This one is 70 minutes. So I will get those in the oven and then we will do a taste test and see what they taste like. All right, the bread's out of the oven. This is the triple chocolate. This is the double chocolate. We're gonna make the topping for the triple chocolate and then try them. Okay, 1/4 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is gonna go on the stovetop to warm it up and melt the brown sugar. Okay, this is bubbling. I'm going to add vanilla and butter, it says. Okay, the butter is melted. I'm adding in 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. It says it has to cool completely, so I'll put it in a little bowl. We'll let it sit a little longer. This looks really good. This is the triple chocolate. This is the topping. This is a lot of chocolate.
It's gonna be quadruple chocolate.
No, I think this is the 3rd layer. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. I'll cut this one first. This is the double chocolate. And right off the bat, I don't like all the chocolate chips on top like this. Oh, geez. Okay, well, I guess I'm not using the cut lines. Yeah, this topping on the double chocolate is not staying on at all. So the texture looks pretty similar. This is the double chocolate. It's a lot crumblier. This is the triple chocolate. It seems to stay together pretty well. It's not falling apart or anything. Let's try it. Should we try the double first?
Yeah.
Clink them. Meh.
It's less banana-y than chocolatey.
It's like dry and there's not a lot going on.
Yeah, I agree. It's dry.
Okay, let's try the triple chocolate. It's okay. I think that the bread itself is better. The bread on the triple chocolate is better, but I don't really care for either of them.
I want to eat banana bread.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm a fan of either of them. I'm not impressed. I don't think either of these is going in the book. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe testing we did today. Here's a couple videos YouTube thinks you might enjoy, and I will catch you next time. Bye.